The Xubus Node Series is suitable for various types of applications, starting from 5G and edge computing throughout the telecom business all the way down to some special applications.
The module is a great solution for clients in need of temporary or local data storage.
Or as a permanent solution when there's no space available within the building. The collaboration between Zwart and Delta is successful because where Delta stops, Zwart starts with their activities, so we are very complementary to each other.
Together, Delta and Zwart offer a holistic solution to the customer. Zwart fully understands customers' pain points. We make sure that we offer a reliable product and solution, and Zwart makes sure that the product remains reliable and always available.